Igama nguConstance wakaNkosi, ngumama kaLibuwana. Into ubaba kaLibuwana angazange mina angazise yona. Engiyazi sekulate ukuthi ekhaya bekade kunomfazi amfihlile. Ngamtshela ngathi hayi mina akusindlela vele bengiyifuna le kuyilandela.
The reason I'm in the search of my father is because there's certain situations that are really affecting me. I found out ukuthi nginobizo in which I need to undergo, but ngisebenzisa isibongo sababami and things were not done in the right way traditionally. It happened ukuthi ngithathe isibongo sababami angangihlawulanga. I used to also dream about like abo gogo bami nabomkhulu abangasekho bangicela like ukuthi isicela uvakashela amathuna ethu, or if you don't siyabantu abanolaka, these like extreme things that could happen to you in the long run. Throughout my high school years, I started losing my eyesight. I ended up going to like optometrist nokuthola amaglasi for my eyes, but that wasn't helping. Everywhere I go, they say that isibongo sami is the reason I'm experiencing all kinds of situations that I'm experiencing.
Unfortunately ke mina sazalwa thina ekhaya sonke. Sizalelwa enkolo esiyiyo. Hayi emthini into eyalahlwa kudala leyo yasemandulo.
I have like raised the concern of isibongo, and ngoba affect bona, they really do not put much effort into it, and in the end it harms me as an individual.
Because of the distance between Mpumalanga and Venda, I started with giving Lebu and her mother feedback with the aim of taking them with me to go and find him.
Sanibona ninjani?
Siyaphila kanjani sisithomeza?
Ngiyaphila. Libuwana uhamba nobani namhlanje?
Mama mama.
Oh, this is Mama. Unjani mama?
Ngiyaphila kanjani sisithomeza?
Ngiyaphila. Okay. So I'm back with feedback, ne? Our private investigator went out to search and uyayithola indlu la ubaba hlala khona. Ne, in Thohoyandou, in Limpopo. Our PI was able to talk to someone who stays at the house, but ubaba wasn't there at the time. So how do you feel about that feedback?
I am a bit relieved. I'm just hoping that when I get there, there's no any sort of drama. I just need what I need, and after that, I'll peacefully leave. So
Yeah.
I am very relieved.
Mama, do you think it'll be a peaceful visit or?
Yeah, I think it's a good thing. It will help me a lot. I'll be relieved.
Okay.
Yeah. Phela nje into engabathi usukumbona afika. Kodwa wena bayazi ngaye.
Bayazi ukuthi
Yes.
ukhona. All right, no problem. I think asibeni indlela ne? Okay. Sambe.